Hello and welcome back to Max and Ollie Production. Last time we made the screen emblem, but he didn't say, so we've been going over again. Which is absolutely great. See if it goes well. But we're gonna make it better this time. Get the rabbit, flip it, turn it on its head, and you make it like that. Turn this black. Then you got it all from page 10. You flip this. You don't flip it actually. And you make it quite big as the page. Like that. And it's black. White. Right there. You turn this white. Now you gotta get the arrowhead from page 3, I think. Or you can go and get the leaf. You can't. You go and get the arrowhead and put this there. Like that, and turn this black. Then you can go and get the small leaf from page whatever it is. Page 8. So then you flip this. Turn it like that. Okay. And turn this black. No, do I different what? Then you go and get the arm again from page 10. This time you flip it. You flip it. You put it like that on the side of the head. And then you white. Yeah, white. And it's white. Then you go and get the bat wing from page 15. And you put this there like that. Turn this black. Then you go and get the 3-pointed shield from page whatever, right? 14. 14. No, you don't see. Unlucky 3. Unlucky 3, unlucky 7. And turn this white. In. Oh, right. Have a big pop bag of finish. There you go. Then you go and get the heart. Page 2. Page 2. And you had it right. Actually, you don't get the heart. You get the clock from page 1. And you put this underneath the 3-pointed shield. Turns black. And then you get the heart this time. Get the heart. Page 2. I told you. And go wide. You get realize. And white. What? Look like that. Yeah. And then you go and get yourself a grin. Yeah, you don't. You get this right. Then you go and you duplicate the heart again. This is duplicated. It's on the black. Black is a well famous colour. You put it like that. Black and white are not colours, they're shades. And you put it like that to make your screen look angry. Then you go and get yourself a grin. Yeah. Wait, no, this is. You gotta get yourself a grin.
Full page, 10,
12.
12, then 12 will do it. Then you turn it black. Do that.
So slice it on the corner of the make it bigger, make it much. Then for the last thing, you get a angel wing, which is from which page? Where's the fucking angel wing?
From back of page. Back page. From forward page. Forward page. Forward page. Forward page. Back page. I don't know, I'm gonna look for this on forward page, okay? Guys.
Color's black,
Mm.
like that. And that's you have your mother's screen emblem. Thank you and please subscribe.
And like.